Hello everyone. Our today's topic is difference between DNA and RNA. As we all know that DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Okay, both of them carry genetic information. What is genetic information? Genetic information is the information that is transferred from a parent to their offsprings. Okay, since both of them transfer genetic information, but there are quite few differences between them. As you can see, both of them are nucleic acids. Now a question comes in your mind, what is a nucleic acid? Okay, so nucleic acid is basically a macromolecule. Okay, a macromolecule, and the unit of this macromolecule is a nucleotide. Now let's see the structure of a nucleotide. This is the structure of a nucleotide. It contains basically of three parts. One is a phosphate group, another is a sugar, and the third part is nitrogen base. Now based on this, there can be different kind of sugar or there can be different kinds of nitrogen base, and all these nucleotides together build up and form a macromolecule of nucleic acid, which forms DNA and RNA. Now let's move on to the differences between RNA and DNA. Now, based upon the location, we can see the difference, that is DNA is found in nucleus. Okay, and also small amount of DNA is also present in mitochondria of the cell. Whereas RNA is found in the nucleolus. Okay, and then it can also move to specialized regions of the cytoplasm depending upon the type of RNA formed. So this was the difference based on location. Now, on comparing the structure, we can say that DNA consists of two strands like this. Okay, so we can say that DNA consists of two strands arranged in a double helix, whereas RNA has only one strand and it is shorter than the DNA. The sugar in DNA is deoxyribose, which contains one less hydroxyl group than RNA's ribose. Okay, so we can see that in deoxyribose sugar, which is present in DNA, there is only hydrogen, whereas in ribose sugar there is an hydroxyl group present on the second carbon. Both of them have 5 carbon sugar. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this was the difference based upon the kind of sugar. Now this difference is very important as it creates one more difference, that is of reactivity. Okay, now due to deoxyribose sugar of DNA, which contains one less oxygen containing hydroxyl group, it makes DNA more stable molecule than RNA. Now this property is useful for a molecule which has the task of keeping genetic information safe. Now RNA containing a ribose sugar is more reactive than DNA and is not stable in alkaline conditions. So that's why DNA is preferred for genetic transfer of information as it is more stable to carry the information. Now let's see another key difference, that is the kind of bases present in DNA and RNA. Here you can see that RNA, ribonucleic acid, contains cytosine, guanine, adenine and uracil nitrogen bases, and DNA contains cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine. Now the difference between two of them is that of uracil and thymine. Now in DNA, thymine is present, whereas in RNA instead of thymine, uracil is present. So these three bases are almost same, but uracil and thymine makes the difference between RNA and DNA. Now all these bases form a specific pairs. Now the pair in DNA is AT and GC. That means adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. Since uracil is present in RNA instead of thymine, so here the base pairing occur as adenine with uracil and guanine with cytosine. So these were the key differences between DNA and RNA. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.